If you want to manage app permissions in your OnePlus Nord, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now we have to enter apps and notifications, and here tap on the app permissions. Right now, for example, we can enter the location, and we have three options here. There's the apps that are allowed all the time, allowed only while we are using, and the night, so we can get access to location for the weather, allow all the time, and the same we can do for the calendar. So that's how we can change this option in your OnePlus Nord. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.